Motorists traveling between St. Mary and St. Andrew are being advised to prepare for major disruptions tomorrow as the main road through Junction will be closed for 6 hours. The National Works Agency says the road between Angwalta Vale and Toms River in St. Mary will be closed from 6 in the morning until midday. Communications Manager Stephen Shaw says the closure is to facilitate the safe removal of a truck carrying oil which veered off the roadway on Wednesday and became lodged in a gully. As part of the approval, warning signs are to be placed at several locations, including the Robert Shugman Roundabout Westmoreland Bridge at Chovy in St. Mary, as well as Temple Hall and Stony Hill in St. Andrew. Motorists traveling to and from communities in St. Mary and Portland towards Kingston and St. Andrew are being urged to plan their journeys ahead of time or use alternative routes.